Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view the desktop version of websites on Safari. So currently I am viewing the the mobile version of the website, YouTube. And to view the desktop version, you're just going to sort of go to the top left corner of your screen. Oh, oops. And I'm just going to click on this over here and press request desktop website. And as you can see, now I am viewing the desktop version of YouTube on my phone. But yeah, that's how you can basically view desktop version of websites on Safari. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!